So hi guys, it's me Deepak. Good to be back, and this video we are going to use TensorFlow post estimation model and see how we can use it in Python. And I've seen a lot of resources that talk about using it in Android Studio, and also it's really hard to find how to use it in Python and get those images with the bones displaying, not like bones but the lines to see the positions and all stuff. I mean, they have no benefit like seeing the those lines, but it looks good to see. And I'll be explaining how we can use TensorFlow post distribution model, and I'm working on a project that I may make a video in future. So I need to know how this thing works. I also leave a resource leave a link to a resource that helped me tremendously in this project in the description. And one more thing, yeah, let's get this video started. Let's get this video started. I'm really out of touch right now. So let's create a folder first for the estimation. Uh, okay. Let's open Sublime Text. Oh, you don't need to see that. That's the spoilers here. Uh, don't pause the video and go back. Okay. Let's name this something. For the estimation. There we go. Yep. What I need right now is go to your browser where you're using. Go to just search TensorFlow. Uh, mm, this one, post estimation. I will leave the link in the description as always. And you just need to download this starter model. Yeah, okay, save it. Go to desktop. Go to a model. Paste it here. Dude,
Uncool.
Finally. Okay, now we can begin. So we have a script that you write right now, and we have our model. I have renamed it to Posenet or tflite. Okay, and you need five basic libraries like NumPy. You need TensorFlow, uh, SDF, import OpenCV, so CV2 import. So what my idea is, there are three ways you can predict the position of the body. Take three ways to take inputs. First is through a picture, second is through videos, and third is through live feed from webcam. I think the most difficult will be the live feed from webcam. Other two will be easy if you can do that. So I'm thinking, why not just show you how to get it from webcam, scale it down, and use it. So that's what we're gonna do. So I need math, and for scaling the image, I'm using this really weird way. If you have any easier way, do mention in the comment section, because this looks, I don't know, this is not wrong, but this looks wrong. Like there should be another way. In OpenCV we should have a way to scale the images. I think there is. I missed something. I was looking, but this is what I went with. So first of all, let's have our model here. tf dot light dot interpreter, and let's pass the model path. It's in the same directory, so it's just Posenet dot tflite. I need to check something. I'm using Python 3.7 version if someone is wondering, and let's just see if there's any error. Oh no. Okay, so we are good for now. Let's just allocate tensors and get the input and output shape details. Allocate tensors and uh, shape details. So input. If you are really wondering, but most of these variables are, you can always just, what I really do when I'm working on a project, I don't understand what particular variable is, I just print them out and see what they are, especially when I was working on this Posenet model. So let me just explain you a few things. What you get is a output standard heat resolution. So you will get two variables that after predicting from the model, heat set and offset, and based on that you have to find the positions of with a threshold. You set a threshold that after this you know the these are shoulders, here is elbow. So based on that you have to you will figure out where it is, and the size of the output is 70 cross 9 cross 9, something like that. It is 8 cross 8 cross 17. This is what I'm working with, and that's what I wanted to show, that what you're getting is a I don't want to say matrix, but you're not getting the positions. You have to figure out the positions yourself. So in that sense, it's really hard to use between Python. That's why I'm making this tutorial. And I'm not going to like explain every single line. We don't do that here. So yeah, output details, and this will give you like the shape you need. It is inputted as a like 27 cost like that. Interpreter dot input details. Oh no, get output details. Missing something. Let's check something. Okay. Now there are few things that you need to understand. It's parts to compare. You need to connect those points, right? Let me just give you a sense of what I'm talking about. If I just go, I have this model already trained. I'm seriously giving a lot of spoilers I don't want to yet. Yeah. Sure. You can see right now. So you need to connect uh, those points, and how you will connect is with let me just end the script first. It will automatically end itself to 30 seconds, and I have put a timer of save it would not wait key 30,000. So I'm just checking something, few things. That's why it is purely intentional. Okay, so you need to connect these points, and how you can connect is You just see. So you need to connect left shoulder to right shoulder, left elbow to left shoulder, right elbow to right shoulder, left wrist to left elbow, right wrist to right elbow, and that's how you create a list of tuples or tuples, whatever you want to say. 5, 7, 6, 8, 7, 9, 8, 10, and 11, 12. I have already worked on the script, so I know. I don't remember. I'm looking at my script. So which points to connect, and 6, 12, 11, and these points are not like mentioned in the output. These are basically the index values. When you pass them, you get the position of the particular points, right? If you add a function that connects lines or draw lines or whatever you want. Okay, 12, 14, 13, 15, 14, 16. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Yeah, okay, I think we have got this right. Now what we need to do is, let's just, first of all, let's just get our camera feed. Okay, cbg2 dot video capture, right, 0, and while true, success. I should have kept right, cap dot is open, something like that. The value dot read, and now I have each frame in this img variable, and what I need to do is now scale the image. So img is equal to, I have to convert it to image first from array. Thanks to people at Stack Overflow, I know how to do this. I didn't even ask the question. A lot of people already asked the question. Surprising, like like a uh, like almost like years before I even started coding. Image resized, uh, image operations dot fit img width, height. I have thought I'll be like putting a target this time to get this done before 20 minutes, but I'm already like 70 minutes in, and I will be cutting a few parts, so we'll see. Numpy dot array image resized dot reshape. Okay, so have I defined width and height parameters right yet? No. To define those. Width, comma, height, comma, 3. So let's first define height and width. Height is equal to input details 0, shape, and 1. width is, as I said, just print input details. You will see a lot of different information there, like shape, index. I'm using data, and here you have it, and head width and height. Both are same. In this case. So far we have this image. Okay. After I have to expand the dimension because it's 1 cross 57 cross 3. So let's do it. And after expanding, you cannot like see the image. So just remember numpy dot array numpy dot expand dimensions image dot copy and access 0. Okay. And now floating model, check if it's a float. Input it is 0. If dot type is, d type is float 32, and p dot float 32, then if floating model, I will divide the image is equal to numpy dot float 32 image minus 127.5, which is basically half of 255, and I'm just dividing it by 127.5. After that, dot I will pass this image and set tensors input details 0, index, comma, the image, and after setting the image I will just invoke, and now I can get the output. So let's just get the output equal derivative dot get tensor output details 0, 1, and output offset so that I need to do a little bit more processing in order to get those points. Details 1 is actually index. Okay, so we must actually have one more argument here, numpy dot squeeze, which basically just remove extra brackets. Numpy dot squeeze. Now we have our offset and output data. And now what we can do is have our need to a bit more processing the image. So I'm just going to pass a temp image. This is going to be the same image. What I'm going to do is numpy dot squeeze image dot copy multiplied by 127.5 0.5 and added 127.5 divided by 255.0 and happy image equal by dot array happy image to 255 b dot load date. Now I need to get those points. I'm just going to have k points and I'm going to create a function uh, I'm just going to call it pass the output and pass the offset and threshold. I have set the threshold to 3.35. So let's create a function parse output and it's a bit complex function, so I'll warn you. And so we have a heat map that we pass as output, we have a offset, and we have a threshold. Okay, let's do it. So we're going to iterate through our heat map. So first let's get the last shape of our joint number, which is going to be 17. I mean this value heat map dot shape minus 1, which is heat map dot shape minus 1, which will give us a 17 value. Then we have our position kps and it will be numpy dot zeros join num comma 3. So the output that we get after calling this function is 17 plus 3, 17 points and 3 rg plus 2. Just kidding. Okay, so 30 plus 3 you will get as an output, and is the dimensions of this variable. It's a for loop for I in range heat map dot shape minus 1 heat map is equal to heat map, and I'm gonna iterate on the second dimension on the second. So we'll have this and this I, and we're gonna have the one with the max value selected from this joint heat map. So numpy dot squeeze numpy dot arg, where since you give me the positions indices of non-zeros, so joint heat map equal numpy dot max, so get the max and joint heat map, and this max value because I will have to get its position in the image, so I will just do is numpy dot array max value position divided by 8, multiply it by 257 comma d type equal np dot int 32. Okay, then pose kps 0 I comma 0 is equal int 30 int remap 0 plus offset. This is a lot to take in, I know. And offset will passing the max will pass 0 and 1. So we have to take into account the offset as well. Max will pass 1 and comma I. This will give us a 0 and 0, and same is for the first. Just change this to 1. And there you have it. Now we need to get the max prob, which is basically numpy dot max. We will pass the joint heat map, and if max prob is greater than threshold, then kps I comma 2 equal 1, and then we return both kps. After that, we have a function draw kps. We will pass our image kps, these points, and ratio, which is right hand none by default. So we will just draw circles here. So if you start from other side, I'm going to take a into the facial features. You can see me. 5. So we're going to start with 5. kps dot shape 0, and if is instance. One more thing. First of all, if kps, like if it's first I have to check if it will cross the threshold or not. So kps I comma 2. First this, then I have to check if it's instance ratio comma top. Then I will just draw the circles, cvt dot circles, cvt dot circles, show image comma int comma round comma kps I comma 1 into ratio 1. Same thing. Okay, to change it to 0, this is 0, and pass the colors. So for me it's green, 55, yellow, and round int 1 to ratio 1. Simple show image. If I'm not passing threshold, if I'm not passing the ratio, then the show image. Let's pass the kps I comma 1 comma kps I comma 0 comma 2 comma 0 comma 255 comma 55. That's it. Okay, we will never go to this problem. We will always because only ratio. So we have drawn the k points in the circle. So it will be like circles. Next thing is if I want to like uh, draw the lines. Okay, so I'm gonna have a function def draw lines. I'm gonna pass my image here. I'm gonna pass those key points, and I'm gonna have the pairs. Key points is equal to key points dot as type int for I comma pair in enumerate pairs. Define the color, which is 0 comma 255 comma 0. CV2 dot line img comma key points pairs 0 comma key points 0 0 comma the next key point pairs 1 0 sorry 1 1 comma key points pairs 1 0 and pass color equal line type equal CV2 dot LE what yep, that's pretty much everything that we need, and now we can just see the image. CV2. So we have called parts of functions for now, right? I need to call few functions. First of all, CV2 dot show image draw kps app image dot copy APS. Let's see it. CV2 dot wait key 10 CV2 dot I am show. This is the next image. Uh, let's call drawlight function. Pass our every image k points parts to compare. CV2 dot wait key 10. Invalid syntax. Line 29. Line. I don't know why I keep adding zeros in here. So again an error that is when you do this return show image. I had another call this server. CV2 line 55. Shit. Okay. I mean, what's the issue now? Okay, let's yeah. So one issue is black color. It's because of this. Let me green. My main concern is just draw KPS points. I'm getting KPS points here, right? The issue is in pass output function somewhere. Set. Okay. If post APS I 110 less than 257 and post APS I 101 less than 257. I think this should resolve the issue. Okay, the only way to check this out. We have to say tweak some value somewhere to pass the quality. Because I checked it with the video cam. If you like the video, subscribe. Let's put a target of like 50 subscribers for this video. Then I'll post the next one. Share it with your friends. Join my Discord server. Join my Insta. The usual drill. And I hope I see you in my next videos. That's probably gonna be like a vlog style. I'm doing a lot of tutorials nowadays, so I can like edit them. I'm going to try to put a lot of filters. I'll see what I can do. Okay, bye.